Namaskar, I am Prakash Astrologer presenting you December 2020 monthly forecast. All the predictions are based on moon sign, but you can use this prediction according to your Lagna Rashi as well. If you know your ascendant, your rising sign, then you can use this prediction according to your Lagna, according to your rising sign, as well as your moon sign. You can follow this according to that. Choice is yours. The base is Indian Vedic astrology for all of you. December 2020 monthly forecast for all of you. Going to talk about Aquarius. Aquarius this coming month for you. Transit of Mercury for Aquarius in 10th house, 28th November till 17th December. When the Mercury transiting in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 10th house from your moon sign, 10th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, this donate contentment and good timing for you. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, you would be happy and successful in all your undertaking. Professionally, a very good period could be expected as well. You would be able to finish off the work given to you successfully on time. Happiness at home is also indicated when Mercury transiting 10th house from your moon sign. You could also be expecting to meet someone very special, interesting in this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, some of you are also expecting to spend some passionate time with someone very special, enjoying thoroughly. Possibility of gain from this person also indicated in this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, financially this could be also good timing for you. The success in your undertaking will be gainful for you. You may expect other monetary gain as well. This particular period also bringing you rise in status, prestige in society. You're also likely to be honored and may command more respect in society. When the Mercury transit 10th house from your moon sign, you may also become more socially more active and may get involved in social welfare work. Mentally, peace and calmness is indicated. Your enemies are also likely to be defeated, and with ease you could find calmness in your life during this phase of time. Transit of Venus in 10th house, 11th December till 4th of January. When the Venus transiting in 10th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Venus in 10th house from your moon sign. When the Venus is transiting in 10th house from your moon sign, this brings in mental anguish, agitation, restlessness. When the Venus transit 10th house from your moon sign, physical health is also suffering during this phase of time. You have to take extra care with your finance and try to avoid any kind of loans. You're likely to be under debt under this phase of time. You have to be extra careful. Beware of enemies and avoid any unnecessary discussion, useless discussions. It might lead to living argument or conflict with a number of peoples. Be careful to avoid any defamation, humiliation in society. You have to be very careful about your decision choices, you're taking any steps. When the Venus transit 10th house, be cautious while handling your own people, professionally, personally. And if there's any misunderstanding with anybody, you got to sort it out. Politically, situation can be sensitive, personally and professionally. Avoid all kind of arguments with your family members, with your professional people, colleagues, if you're in a joint venture, your business partner, and try to keep a healthy equilibrium balance in the relationship, personally and professionally. You're likely to face trouble caused by higher authorities of chosen field, and sometimes government authorities can try to punish you, or higher authority will try to punish you if you're working for a company. Your boss will not be very satisfied. You may have to put extra hours or extra hard work to meet your objective in all your undertaking. You have to be careful. So whatever you want to achieve, be extra careful. Transit of Sun in 11th house, 15th December till 14th of January. When the Sun transit in 11th house, you come across this kind of scenario situations. Transit of Sun in 11th house from your moon sign. When the Sun is transiting 11th house from moon sign, this particular time period mostly means financial gain, improved economic and social status, improved economical situations, and rise in status, prestige and honor, achieving more financial gain, achieving more financial prosperity. When the Sun is transiting 11th house, is a suitable time for you to approach your boss, employer for any high favor, such as asking for rise, asking for promotion. You'll be rising your position at workplace. You'll get an unexpected benefit from your superior authorities. The sun is transiting 11th house from moon sign. You could also expect a profit in your trade, attainment of wealth during this phase of time, even gain from your friends. Your social prestige would be seeing a rise. You'd gain more honor in your neighborhood. Health would remain good during this phase of time. Your sound health could be more happy on occasion. This particular also signify commencement of some spiritual constructive deed at your home, leading to even more happiness. Merrymaking, distribution, and indulgence of good food and sweets at home could also be expected during this phase of time. Overall, a comfortable period is donated for you and your family life, leading to family peace. Could during this phase of time, could be like that. Transit of Mercury in 11th house, 17 December till 5th of January. When the Mercury transit 11th house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mercury in 11th house from your moon sign. When the Mercury transit in 11th house from your moon sign, during this particular period when the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign, this indicates achievement, financial gain, monetary gain, rewards, income resources, financial or professional opportunities. This period also like to bring this financial gain for you. You may expect receiving a higher monetary gain with the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign from the different resources. Your personal undertaking, your business undertaking, your investments are likely to be bringing higher financial gain, rewards, more and more profit for you. Income resources, new financial opportunities will appear on your way. Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign. You also professionally employed, if you're professionally employed or working for yourself, or you're likely to be more successful during this phase of time, especially if you're working in a banking sector or financial sector as a chartered accountant, financial advisor. If you're a salesperson, you'll close a lot of bigger deals during this phase of time. When the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign, during this particular period, most of your deals will be done and dusted. You're likely to be prosperous in your field of activity, especially if you're in IT sector, banking sector, especially during this phase of time. Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign. Health should be good. You're likely to be at peace with yourself. You become more soft-spoken and very diplomatic in your behavior and approach. A lot of more refined of you with the Mercury transit 11th house from your moon sign. At home, you may expect a good time. Your spouse, your family life will also be happy and very coordinated around you. You may also expect to gain some favorable news. You also likely to be surrounded by material comfort. Socially, a good phase as well. You would be able to command more respect in society. Pleasant company of companion will be also surrounded around you. Your wit, your pleasant nature would also make people flock around you. When the Mercury transit in 11th house, people appreciate your presence more and more. Transit of Mars in 3rd house, 24 December till 22nd February. When the Mars transiting in 3rd house, you come across these kind of scenario situations. Transit of Mars in 3rd house from your moon sign. In this phase of time, when the Mars is transiting 3rd house from your moon sign, this brings in some good timing, could be regarded especially well for financial gain. When the Mars is transiting 3rd house from your moon sign, during this phase, you also likely to make money in your trade, profession. You're likely to acquire valuable ornaments during this phase of time. When the Mars is transit 3rd house from your moon sign, work should be on smooth sailing and you also likely to succeed in matter of importance. Your new undertaking would also see you succeed. If employed, you're likely to be promoted in position of greater authority, honor. Your success would boost your self-confidence and strengthen your willpower. Health would remain good. You would also shine, and health and vigor and vitality will be there. Your enthusiasm is likely to be at ease. You would be relieved from all your past confusion and obstacles. This time period also sees you indulging in exotic delights, and your enemies would be defeated. You would be at peace with your mind. Avoid any trip abroad. It may not bring any desired result during this phase of time. With the help of task precaution chanting, you can sort out yourself. You must sort out your Jupiter, Saturn, Rahu, Ketu. Prevention of any kind of professional losses, financial losses, flow of income issues, professional backing issues, family happiness issues, peace of mind and career health issues. With the help of task precaution chanting, you must sort out yourself. You can sort out yourself for the best. Why don't you acquire a full report from the website? Visit the website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the full monthly report and implement the full monthly report in your routine and achieve the best. And you will be aware about what's going on in this coming month, as well as what is positive side, what is negative side, and what you should do to sort out those negativities. Yes, whether it's linked with your flow of income or health or happiness or your debts or your financial issues or your career-wise things or lack of peace of mind or whatever situation will be there, you will sort it out. Thanks for watching this monthly video. Would you like to know more about what this coming month is going to bring for you regarding your job, business, profession, career, financial backing? Would you like to know how you're going to do in this coming month regarding your romantic life, love life? Would you like to know more about the events happening in this coming month? Would you like to have some guidance regarding your decision-making strategies or choices-making strategies and how you can resolve your problems, complications, hassles, obstacles, waste of time, delays in this coming month? If your answer is yes, then what you're waiting for, please get your very thorough Moon Sign Monthly Horoscope Report on the video as well as written. And do visit my website, prakashastrologer.com. I want your best in this coming month. I want you to achieve the best in this coming month.